right, so I promised you guys a celebrity.
Nah, no celebrity mess here, that's for sure.
Look, how long have we been trying to do this? I don't even know.
God, it's been a long, long time.
It's been a long time.
Yeah.
But guys, we finally made it happen. It's cold as hell, but we don't give a damn.
We don't care.
We're doing car stuff.
Yeah.
And we got Dale here. Y'all ready for this? Let's check it out. I freaking love it. So John, everybody looks at this car and they think you got a boatload of money in it. And that's just not the case. But seriously, if you look at this car, you're like, man, that's a 40, 50, 60, I mean, who knows, you know? But it's not.
I don't add my labor in when I talk about the back.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah, so.
But the point of it is you can take a lot of elbow grease and a lot of searching for used parts and, you know, making stuff your own and make a badass car that everybody loves without breaking the bank.
That's exactly right.
And that's the point of Dale. Oh guys, the work on the interior John did, absolutely amazing. Just custom touches everywhere. S550 seats, of course. New additions on the console. I mean, just a lot of sweat equity. The gauge cluster, I'll drop a clip in here of what it looks like, but it's amazing. Lot of hard work went into this interior, and it's drivable, which is the best thing. Is you drove this car how many miles today?
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours,
Yeah.
30-degree weather.
Yeah.
This is a driver's car built on a budget that looks worth twice what it took to build.
Yeah.
And again, under the hood, this isn't anything crazy or one-off, but it has that look.
I wanted something simple.
Right.
You know, very simple, something that you would actually find in 1990 with, you know, today's flair, I guess you could say, the cleanliness of today.
Yeah, and it has that. And just the little touches like smoothing the intake, I make that.
You dusted it for me.
But, I mean, an RPM intake smoothed on the top, it has that crazy custom look.
Yeah.
You know, and it just took, you know, some elbow grease.
Yeah, that's it.
Which is amazing.
That's it.
But and the cool thing too is you've had the opportunity to work with a lot of great companies like Stifler's, UPR.
Yeah. Well, we're getting into the UPR stuff now, so you know, stay tuned. UPR is going to be doing some K-member stuff, some A-arm stuff, some front suspension. We're doing an anti-roll in the rear.
Nice.
So yeah, we're fixing to try to up the game a little bit on the car instead of rolling around with a stock cable. And then of course, you know, we've got the digital dash.
Yeah,
digital dash EFI.
Just showed the cluster, which I absolutely love.
Yeah,
that's freaking amazing.
Classic LEDs, Mr. Travis Blanchard with the lights. So, yeah,
classic LEDs for the win.
Yep.
And what's cool is, and that just shows you, like Stifler's and UPR, for example, both on my car.
Yeah.
Top-notch product, top-notch people, you know what I mean? And they're supporting the hobby, the community, and that's what it's all about. And helping to make cars like this, make cars great again.
That's it.
You know what I'm saying?
There we go. Make cars great again. Yeah.
So of course, you guys, the exterior is amazing. This color, like, I'll throw a picture up on the screen of what the color does in the sun. It's pretty amazing. But one of the most unique things, I would say, you'd probably agree on the exterior, is the wheels.
Yes, for sure.
I mean,
sure. Yeah.
Dude, when you sent me the pictures when they were on the way, I was just blown away.
Blown away, huh?
But custom, they're 3-piece.
Yep, custom 3-piece BBS RK2.
I mean,
that Mr. Tom Clark at Cinespil actually did a conversion.
that is
And
amazing.
we made some 3-piece out of those.
I know that Tom. That sounds familiar.
Yeah,
he does good work.
he's okay.
we'll,
He's all right.
We'll let him live. But I mean, and of course the fronts look good. But you get in the back, and you look at this lip, dude. I mean, amazing.
Rear's narrow, 2 inches on each side.
Wow.
I won't disclose the actual offset of the wheel because most everybody doesn't run an 18 by 13 on the rear.
That's true.
So, you know, if I told y'all the back spacing, you'd go get a 12 with a back spacing of mine and it'd stick out. So, no sense in me giving you the back spacing.
But yeah, man, they look amazing. I mean, just top notch all the way around. I love it. So one thing about having a wheel that big on the back,
You got to be mini tubbed, of course.
everybody's gonna ask, yes.
Yeah. So yes, the car is mini tub. I did use stock tubs to widen them.
Yeah.
Put them in the car because I'm a cheapskate. I'm not going to buy anybody else's wheel tub to put in the car, so I made my own. And of course, I've got Stifler's new. Yes, they've been dealing with it for a whole year.
The coilovers,
And
yeah.
I've been telling them they need to hurry up.
Yeah,
But,
we'll drop a picture right here of what the coilovers look like.
Coilover setup.
But
You know,
it's-
so rolling on some Ride Tech coilovers
Yeah, nice.
with the Stifler's brackets
Yeah.
and stuff. So yeah,
And
car
the-
ride's amazing.
The cool thing too, the way having the Stifler's coilovers in the back is like how you did the tailpipes. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. But like from the back, like riding behind it, it says 03 Cobra to me. The way you've got them, it's kind of got that with the IRS. Yeah,
0304 Cobra vibe to it, don't it?
yeah.
I didn't even think about it.
Overall, it's Arby's. It's got all the meat back there.
Yeah, it's got all the meat.
And I love it.
But we're at Hardee's.
That's true. Yeah, that's well. We tried our best to make that one work. All right, guys. So, like I said, we've been trying to do this forever. All we do all year long is go to shows, and there's never time at shows.
Life gets in the way
It does.
constantly. Yep.
It does.
Yep.
But we made it happen.
For sure.
I appreciate you guys. Also, if you have not listened to the 50 Asylum podcast, I've been on there.
Yes, you
I've
have.
been on there a couple
Several
times.
Yeah.
It's a great time when you're driving, when you're doing the yard, when you're at the gym, whatever you're doing. Listen to the 50 Asylum podcast. This guy's a star. I'm telling you.
No. If you've got weak feelings, don't listen though.
Yeah.
So yeah, if
Yeah.
you don't get any feels, we don't like to do that.
Thick skin.
Got to have thick
zone
skin.
right there,
Yeah,
baby.
Yeah.
But yeah, definitely check out the 50 Asylum. Go follow John on Instagram. I'll drop his info if you haven't already. I mean, come on now.
Yeah, surely. Well, I mean,
Yeah,
yeah.
they're following.
Yeah,
I'm sure.
maybe.
Anyway, guys, huge shout out to John for making this happen today. Love the car, big fan, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Get you on the next one.
Catch you later.